Hey guys, welcome back to the No Sester Malchus channel. For today's question is, how do I teach my child to read? Now, if you have this question, give me a thumbs up so I'll know. And this question is huge. Now, let me tell you, in person, I have been asked this questions by both parents from my students. I have been asked this question on Instagram, on social media. People have been reaching out to me on how I teach children to read. Now, let me tell you, there is no way that I can cover this in one video. So, surprise for you all, I am going to make a mini series. Every Sunday, for as long as it takes, I am going to show you techniques and theories and ways to get your child to read. So if you want to come back, which you are going to find tons of free content, that's the best, free, all for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, but I will leave off with two things. Number one, I'm going to create a playlist. So don't forget to check out the description below, because once we start having videos, there is going to be a playlist so you can access the videos one after the other. And number two, this is a tip you could start today, and that is read, read, and read. Now, what that means is you yourself set aside, if you have no time, even as small as 5 minutes a day, where you tell your kids, I'm reading now. That will make all the difference. Whether you're ready to teach your children to read or not, when they see you reading, they're going to want to read. And read to your kids. I don't care if your kids are infants, if your kids are older. Set aside time every single day where you will do nothing. Again, if you're older kids, put a chapter, 2 pages during dinner, read to your kids, because that is the foundation. If you don't enjoy reading and you don't show them that reading is enjoyable, anything else I teach you in this mini series is nothing more than a fun mini series. So if you are as excited as I am, because for me, reading is one of the most fun subjects that I teach my students. So if you're as excited as I am, like this video, subscribe, and if you have specific questions on reading, well then, head over to my Instagram page, because I will answer every question that I can, because education we need a community to work and build together. So all the links below, and I cannot wait to see you guys weekly on Sundays for this reading program. Thank you guys so much for stopping by.